And we're keeping an eye on two things in the Weather Center, I guess. Punxsutawney Phil is one, and the other is this little bit of snow that we're going to see tonight.
It's some very light snow on the way for tonight, but it's the big day, Groundhog Day, where we throw science out the door and focus only on a rodent's shadowy prediction. So they're getting ready for the big moment at dawn today, where we await Punxsutawney coming out of his hole to determine whether there is 6 more weeks of winter. That would be the case if he sees his shadow. A lot of folks gathered up there in Punxsutawney. It's about an hour and a half, 2 hours northeast of Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, so in the central western side of things. Let's go ahead and take a look at the Groundhog Day maps here. Sees the shadow, 6 more weeks of winter. Doesn't see his shadow, signifies an early spring. Now the science behind it, if you think back to this weekend when we had that cold, dry, frigid air mass in place and there was very few clouds around much of the day on Saturday and then again on Sunday, it's the same theory for the Groundhog Day predictions, that those cold winter-like air masses are often lacking in moisture, so not a lot of clouds or storminess around, where as the weather pattern changes, we get to spring, you have the clouds coming in and some stormy weather. So we'll see. It's cloudy in Pennsylvania, so Phil should not see his shadow based on just what the sky cover is, but I think sometimes that artificial lighting may help in him seeing his shadow. He sees it about 87% of the time. Live pinpoint Doppler 12 radar over our area. We're waking up to mostly clear skies, so we will see some of our shadows as we step out this morning. City Canton and Providence, beautiful start to the day, but it is chilly once again at 22. The wind chill in the teens with even a light west-northwest wind. 24, Secana Bay Manor in Tiverton, 23 at the Coast Guard House, and 20 in Coventry. Bus stop this morning, mostly sunny and dry, 18 to 25 for the little ones heading out to school. We widen out here, show you satellite and radar. The light snow that Elizabeth was talking about is just moving into the Ohio Valley and into southwestern Pennsylvania. This is what we're watching for later on tonight. As it pushes eastward today, the first thing that will happen is that the clouds will be on the increase. And then very late tonight, after midnight, we'll start to see some light snow develop. This is more of a nuisance system than anything else. For us, I'll be watching for any potential impact on the Wednesday morning commute. I don't think it'll be a major deal heading out and about on Wednesday, but we may see a coating of snow, maybe even up to a ½ an inch in a few communities. 6:30 this evening, cloudy skies, and then watch as we head late tonight after midnight. Some light snow starts to develop, and it'll be during that time frame from about, say, 4 or 5 in the morning until 9, 10 o'clock in the morning, where we could see some of those light snow showers. They should all wrap up by about lunchtime, and skies just stay mostly cloudy into the Wednesday afternoon. Chilly and dry for this morning, about 18 to 25. We head into this afternoon, clouds again thickening up, a high of 30 to 35. It stays dry, and these temperatures for today are still running a few degrees below average. So 35 in Newport, winds out of the southwest at about 5, closer to the freezing mark for highs as you head up into Cumberland. Johnston at about 33, and Scituate also 33 degrees. The Cape, the islands, you'll be able to hang on to brighter skies a little bit longer, but still, as we head into the late part of the day, clouds will win out, about 33 in Fall River. Sunsets at 5:02, turning cloudy this evening and tonight. Overnight, just some light snow showers and flurries after midnight, about 20 to 25. And we'll see some of those flurries lingering into Wednesday morning. Again, some communities adjusting to perhaps a ½ an inch with temperatures 24 to 28 degrees. By Wednesday afternoon, it's mostly cloudy and a high of 35. 7-day Futurecast. We get the sun back on Thursday at 35. Friday is a little cooler at 32. And then we're watching another offshore storm system for the weekend. Still too early to say whether it comes close enough to bring us some snow, but at this point there's at least a small chance of seeing some light snow on that Saturday.